Let me show you how to set up a new secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you have some files or contacts or some apps that you actually want to hide from someone, we can actually do that. Let's go in the settings, and in the settings click security and privacy over here, then scroll down till you see more security settings, secure folder, and we'll need to set it up. So allow access. So wait a bit. And next we also need to choose security, so maybe let's select PIN, but again choose whatever you need. And then also, if you do not want any security breach whatsoever, I would suggest you to click do not allow, because otherwise this secure folder can be like breached essentially using your Samsung account. So again, only way is using your PIN in this case, or again set up whatever you need. Okay, click next and you'll get launched in the secure folder. So essentially whatever you do in this secure folder stays in this folder, and again it really can't leak out or stuff like that. For example, we can take some pictures in this folder, so let it finish. So essentially if I take a picture, as you see, basically in this gallery I have a brand new gallery where only the pictures will get stored. And if I, for example, go to my main gallery, as you see, I actually do not have that picture over there. And also we have a special place where you can actually save some special contact as well. So again, if you save them over here, they won't be actually visible in your main contact list. And also if we click this, we can install like additional apps that aren't like available on the main phone. So again, if you want to install some apps that you do not want anyone else to see that you have it, you can also do it from here, or also install like second copy of it over here. Also, if you click these three dots over here, we can add more files, existing files essentially. So choose whatever you want, so basically, and select, so, and they will get transferred over to the secure folder. So again, if you want to hide some old stuff, again you can simply move it in here. Then again, if you want to access your secure folder, it will essentially be listed in your apps. So if you click it over here, it will get launched, and basically it will ask for your PIN code. So I think after some time. Okay, let's lock it and unlock it, and let's try again. As you see, it basically asks for the PIN code. But also you can disable this. So if you want to manage all the settings for the secure folder, again we can go back to the security and more security settings, secure folder. Also you can like toggle this to actually hide that secure folder icon from your apps list. So again, the only way how you can access it, again, go back in these settings, enable it back over here. So again, if you do not want basically display that you even have the secure folder. And then also we can use this setting as well to lock essentially every time you leave the app. Otherwise, again, only when the screen turns off, basically it gets locked. So for best security, I would suggest this one. Actually, again, we can also manage notifications. So if you want actually any notifications coming in from that secure folder, like apps we have installed there and many other things. Also, if you want to remove this secure folder and delete everything in it, again, we can click this and click uninstall essentially. Also, you can move out the media files if you want, but again, if you want to delete everything, so click this and uninstall, and it's gone. And pretty much everything that you did in the secure folder is wiped from there essentially. Anyway, good luck.